How should you ask for a testimonial? It's really simple, and also when should you ask for it? You don't do it right at the start, and you don't even give them a precursor. Oh yeah, by the way, at some point we're going to ask you for a testimonial. You wait until the job is done. You get to the point where you're now at the handover, or maybe there's like a 7-day period after the website is built and you're now checking with them that everything's okay. What you want to do is request feedback. So don't say, hey, can you give me a review? Can you give me a testimonial? Ask them for feedback, because feedback feels like you're listening more. Review feels like, yeah, I just want a 5-star review. Testimonial just feels like, oh, just say, yeah, you worked with me and you were happy. There's different psychological feelings we get when we hear those words. But when you hear the word feedback, it feels like you want to know what I feel. So I will say to my clients, can you please send us an email back or fill in a form? You can give them a form. You can just ask them to email you. You might even have like a rating chart or something like that. But what I want to know is, what could I have done better for you? How did the website project go? Do you think there was anything I could have done better for you? What was the best bit of the project and what was the worst bit? Hopefully they don't say there was any worst bit, but what you're looking for is the best bit might end up becoming the testimonial you share or stick on your website. But you really want to get out of them all this other info. You might not share all of it, of course you might not. But it's good for your learning as well. And also, by getting them to do a feedback form, it just feels more personal. And of course, you want to let them know about your incentivization as well. So in future, if they refer any projects to you and it leads to a successful website build or SEO or anything like that, and it's completed, you will pay them $50, $100, 10% of the build or anything like that. So next time you ask for a testimonial, change it to a feedback form. I'm Imran, Web Squadron. I'll see you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring.